He's on the ground to your right. To your right. Look over here. He's coming in. There's a him walking dead to us at 12 o'clock, so that's good.
What's the strutter on the right doing? I can't see him.
Just standing still, strutting. Hopefully they don't. I really want him to come in with this decoy.
You need to shoot that bird.
I will.
If it comes in.
I will, for sure.
That looks like he's gonna break.
It's all, brother.
home, baby. That was West, dude. That got crazy fast.
Dude, that was freaking awesome. I don't know what happened with the shotgun, but that's just keeping it cool. Teamwork.
You kept ejecting shells. I was like, how many more
Does
he have in there?
The last one.
That's got to be one of my best Osceola hunts ever. Just, that was a freaking rodeo, epic way those two birds came in, worked the decoy. We had everything. We had gobblers gobbling, hens pitched down, 2 gobblers in the field, 1 commit, second one couldn't stand it, comes in, puts on an awesome show. We had some rodeo cowboy things that just, if they're gonna go wrong, they did, but we somehow pulled it through, and we shot an awesome bird. This bird's got great spurs, good beard. This was the dominant bird that gobbled the most and had all of the hens with them. So just an awesome hunt with Luke this morning. It couldn't have gone better, and I'm just so blessed to experience this Osceola turkey hunting that we have here in Florida. That's only in Florida, in certain parts of Florida, and this is living wild, baby.